My dear Papa was a very special person who, I think above all else, would have been amazed by the reaction and the touching things that have been said about him. And from that point of view, we are, my family, deeply grateful for all that. It will sustain us in this particular loss and at this particularly sad time.
She described it as having left a huge void in her life, but we, the family, the ones that are closer, are rallying round to make sure that we're there to support her. And I know that there is a huge amount of support, not just for her, but for everybody, as we go through this enormous change.
And it's very, very sad, but I have to say that the extraordinary tributes and the memories that everybody has had and been willing to share has been so fantastic.